Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this wig. This hair is from Hermosa Hair and I have the 8x5 body wave. So 8 across, 5 going all the way back. So it's quite a good space. So if you don't want to have a full frontal, you can get this as well. And it's a curtain bang body wave. Basically I will show you straight. They basically cut some bangs for you already. It was also pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I did go over it a little bit. Also decided to dye it jet black as well, just to give this. So this is literally what I've just done. I achieved the curls with my curling wand and I got this. I'm really happy with this because I feel like I didn't even leave it to like set for too long and it really held the curl. It's a closure wig. I already kind of cut the lace off camera and then decided just to show you how I get these curls. So I love the fact that they already came, you know, with the bangs already cut for you. So it just gives you like it helps to frame the face. And yeah, I just wanted like loose waves today and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. But anyway, this is a 220% density as well. So it's a good amount of hair. I could probably add more. As you already know, I love big hair. But I would have loved a lot more layers in this. I was hoping that it came completely layered, you know, like the video on the website, but I just went over it. I just, you know, just cut a few bits myself and curled it. And yeah, that's it. So I will link everything down below. We're gonna go straight into the video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put I'm gonna spray this down with my trusty Ebin. As I mentioned, this is a curtain bang wig. So the wig actually came already like cut. So the bangs were already cut, which is pretty good actually. So all I'm just gonna do is just curl it and give it some nice waves. I might try and put some layers on it too. I'm not the best at layering. I just snip away. There's just something about jet black hair. Like, it makes such a big difference to how your hair looks on you. Like, I can't do the natural 1B. It just has to be jet black. So if you're in the UK, I get my box dyes from Superdrug, the Superdrug brand, the black color. That's what I use. I think I use like 2 packs for this wig. This is cute. It's cute, 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 cute. The Pantene Perfect Volume Spray. All you do is like spray onto the hair and it just kind of adds volume, literally, instantly. I have to play around with it in my like bigger mirror. I literally can't see as well, but this is pretty much the look. I absolutely love it. And this black is just, it's just giving. Yeah, love it. As usual, I will put the info down below. Like I said, this was a body wave initially. Dyed it jet black and added just a little bit, just some little layers, not so much. I feel like the hair could be a little fuller for more layers, but I wanted like really loose waves. So this is what I created. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.